Hello, Michael Diamond. You're watching Muscle Central. First thing I want you to do, I want you to subscribe and turn on your notifications. Okay, I'm going to talk a little bit more about George Peterson autopsy report. I already made a video a couple days ago about it. Now, initially, everything that was reported basically came out of TMZ. I think they were the first ones to uh, report it, and then it was all over the bodybuilding sites. And in bold letters, uh, George Peterson Autopsy report, steroids are contributing factor. Now, I was watching the video today, and RX Muscle and Dave Palumbo is discussing. He actually had the report in front of him. It's public access to it. You can request it. I think there's a fee, and you can get a copy of the autopsy report. Now, if you don't know, Dave does have a medical background, went to medical school, opted bodybuilding over medicine, but he has knowledge in the field, and at the very least, he can read a paper and explain it in layman's terms so we all can understand it. And this steroids being a contributing factor, we'll address that first. That's all from mainstream media's perception about steroids. What it was never stated in that report that steroids are a contributing factor. They do. One of the things that are checked are toxicology, see if any drugs in the system, and they found no recreational drugs, only 2 anabolics. They didn't even find any diuretics in his system. So it was just that it was listed as something that came up in a toxicology report. It did not state that they were a contributing factor. Now, to go further with the report, in all the tests that were done for what it's worth, George Peterson was a very healthy person. There is some enlargement of the left ventricle, but you find that in elite athletes everywhere, whether they use anabolics or not, because that's what pumps the blood through the body, and through intense exercise, a natural response is some growth. But other than that, his liver, his kidneys are fine, his creatinine levels are fine, coronary arteries were fine. So there's actually no reason, no explanation why exactly he died. The autopsy report lists the cause of death as natural causes. Now, there's cardiac dysrhythmia was mentioned. Now, that could lead to a heart attack. Now, also, I remember initially in the reports when George was found, he was found face down with some blood coming out of his nose, and made you wonder, could it be an aneurysm? And then we found out that his father died at the same age from just that. but I'm sure nothing was mentioned in the autopsy report, and I'm excuse me, and I'm sure something would have been mentioned. It would have been seen. I can imagine something like that being missed during an autopsy. So, what it comes down to is we really don't know why he died. Like I said, for what it's worth, everything that was found during the autopsy indicates he was perfectly healthy. Uh, some people just unfortunate their clock runs out for whatever reason. Sometimes you can't explain it, and so there's no actual conclusion, natural causes, and let's just let it rest at that. All right, I just wanted to follow up on my video from a couple of days ago. If you like what I said, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share and by all means subscribe. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. This way, every time I put up a new video, you're going to be notified. Also, if you go to the description box, there are some links there. One link is to the Facebook Muscle Central page. Any questions, go there. DM me. I'd be happy to answer them. Also, there are links to Species Nutrition and Mr. Potts Protein. Click on both links. Go to both websites. Check out all their great products. Once again, this is Michael Diamond. I'd like to thank you for watching Muscle Central.